welcome back to my channel. I am at one of my favorite nurseries called Doan's Nursery in Irving, Texas, here in the Dallas area. And I just thought I would turn this camera on real quick and show y'all what they have. They just got some tropical plants in. This is guava. I don't know what kind of guava this is though. So beautiful in here. Desert rose. Oh, that's what these. These are the desert rose. These are very mature ones too. Some green tea. Let's see over here. These are some type of peach trees. Bonanza miniature peach. This is a kiwi. Got their pomegranates in. What is that? Texas pink pomegranate. Never heard of that. Might caught one of them today. They got the navel oranges. They got some satsumas in. I might pick up one of these. Another satsuma. And they do have a blood orange, which is what I really wanted. So I might actually really get that. They have tart kumquat. I don't know if that's awesome. They have all kinds of citrus here. All types. And they have another collection too. Let's see. Oh, they got some nice calamandins. And of course, jujube. This is where I got mine from. One of mine's. Calamandins. All kinds of fruit trees here. A lot of Dave Wilson nurseries. Trees here. All types. Nice and tall. They are all $49. Santa Rosa plum. These are all 7 gallons. All kinds of plum trees here. This is the Anna apple. And she's flowering. I have a foreign one that has Anna apple on it, so I don't know. She's flowering. This one is Pink Lady. Now I did hear about Pink Lady. Maybe that one have come home with me tonight. We got the Red Delicious, Golden Delicious, Layla. More jujubes, if you can see. So many, y'all. So many. Oh, it looks like they got some bananas too. And cherries. They got some cherry trees. Look at these bananas. Tall, I don't know what kind. I don't know if they're the fruiting kind. But yeah, look at that. Isn't that amazing? Moringas, however you pronounce it. Aloe vera. I love aloe. Beautiful flowers for those that are into that kind of stuff. I am trying to. I'm gonna plant some flowers this year, but you know, it's a love-hate thing for me. No, I want to go back here and see. Let's see what else they have. I have another pink lady. I like the height of this one, and I love how it's pruned already. I don't know. I'm going to get in trouble. Let's see. Does it need a pollinator? I just watched that farmer too, talking about the apple trees that are really good for our areas, the hot, summers and stuff like that. Because a lot of times it's not. Oh, it is self-fruitful. You know what? She might get got today. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. But yeah, man. Okay. All right. So these are all like stone fruits and apples and, you know. And here's some persimmons. I don't know how much these are. Let's see. $55 for the persimmons. The little whips, the sticky apple, pear, more crab apple. All kinds of fruiting trees. We got my lemons over here. More citrus. Calamondin. We don't have. I've also been looking for another sweet kumquat, but they don't have any. Looks like they have tart. A lot of tart kumquats. More bananas over there. Alright. I'm gonna come up this little hill here. They have so many like flowers. It's such a nice day out. Yeah, 25 here. Our low today was 39. Let's see, what's this? Jasmine. Now they're supposed to have some tropicals. So that's star jasmine. Barbados cherry. Look at that, y'all. And here we are, mango. These are very young mangoes. Got flan mango. We don't have a lot. Yeah, same type of mango, $65 for the 3-gallon. Yep. That's on there. June plum. Hibiscus bush. Very, very pretty. Okay. We have, these look like guavas. More guavas. Doesn't say what type though. 85 bucks. And it doesn't say what kind it is. Ah, here we go. This one says it's a pink guava. 85. I don't know, guys. That's quite steep. More pink guava. They're beautiful. Okay, so white guava right here. These are like the big ones that get really big. White, I think it's like Taiwan guava or something, y'all. I don't know, but they're beautiful. But I'm not gonna lie, I can get a better deal on it somewhere else. See, I don't know what's over here. We have some pomegranate trees. Look at all these pomegranates. A lot of them. Wow. A lot of pomegranates. We have some more stuff over here. All this stuff. You guys have to come by if you're in the area or making a visit. I got the peppers out here. Let's see. You guys will have to come and check out. They have a Thai pepper. I might get one of those. I always look for, when I buy plants like my veggies, I try to see if there's 2 in 1. I do. Call me cheap, call me what you want, but the way these prices are up, you know, like, you gotta do what you gotta do. Like, let's see. Yeah, these look really good. Like, see that like that? How there's 2, you can just buy one of them if you only need 2. Yep, they're $1.75 each. Really good pricing. So probably gonna walk away with some veggies today. Jalapeno pepper, $1.75. We get an 18 count tray for $25. Not bad. Then you have a Thai pepper as well. Yeah, not bad at all. Let's see. Walk some more. Such a beautiful day out. I'm supposed to be at home in the garden doing some other stuff, but I need to get out. Looks like they have strawberries here too, so we need to go find them.
Strawberry cookies. Strawberry cookies.
They got zinnias, $1.50 each. Okay. Some perennials over here, which is kind of the stuff I like to plant because I'm not real good. Okay, look, y'all, strawberries. It doesn't say what type, I don't think, but $1.75 each. Oh, no. That's the wrong plant. That's not supposed to be over here. That's actually okra, but all these strawberries. I might get a few. And they have more strawberries over here. Yeah. Some of them are flowering. Look at that. Look at that. Lavender. All of this is lavender, I think. I think this is the lavender. I don't know what this is. Should have got a basket, but I did not. Okay, let's go inside of the greenhouse. Yes. We have sweet potatoes. I got some eggplant too, which might get a couple of them. They got squash. They got everything. Literally. Loofahs. Let's walk over here. Loofah. $1.75. You guys gotta check it out. Some kind of gourd over there, snake gourd. Ooh, they already have their watermelons out. Oh man. Green beans are out. Sugar peas. Or, you know, I don't know what kind of watermelon this is. Wait, back here. These are the watermelons. It just says watermelon. I'm assuming probably a sugar baby. That's probably what it is. Sugar baby. See, we got red bell peppers. And then they have these right here you can use. Malabar spinach. Now, I do think I'm going to get some of this. I'm going to try out this Malabar this year. They have red and they have green. Maybe try the red for color. It's cute. Yeah. $1.75 a pot. We got this Japanese cucumber. Okay. So nice. There's the red Malabar here. More eggplant. And this is muskmelon. Never had that before. You know, sometimes you can experiment a little bit. And I do sometimes. With gardening, you know, just see, they got habanero pepper over here. I'm sorry, I got distracted. I should get probably a couple of them too. So maybe a sister gonna get a tree and some little plants. We gonna see. Probably. Yeah, it's fun to experiment when you are gardening, but I don't recommend doing too much experimenting. Grow what you're gonna eat and what you like. I have cilantro, Indian green chili peppers. I mean, it just goes on and on, guys. They got carrots now. See, I need to do that because Lord knows I am not good with carrots. I'm getting there now. More eggplant, cayenne pepper, which might be a good idea. They got the Thai eggplant. Now, see, I might try that because I actually like eggplant. Indian tomatoes. Oh, these are really tiny. Zucchini. Serrano peppers. More eggplant. Hyacinthine. I think that's what it says. Never heard of this one. They're probably good too. See, that's something I'll probably experiment with. They just have so many different things, y'all. I mean, it just goes on and on and on and on. So many things. So I just wanted to come on here, share this with you guys. So many beautiful plants in here, and this is not even the only greenhouse they have. It would be nice to find, they got the basil back here. I mean, just so many great things. So many. I just wanted to share all of this with you guys. More eggplant. It's just beautiful. Beautiful. Try not to make this too long, but y'all, come on. I don't know if y'all are like me, but I love seeing different nurseries, going to different ones, seeing what clicks with me, what works for me. And this one is always has good stuff. Always has good stuff. Yeah, so that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just thank you so much for your support. Let me know what you're growing in the comments below. And yeah, guys, let me know what you guys would like to see as well. I can do more videos and stuff. If you have any questions regarding gardening, I would do my best to answer it. Real estate, I'm your girl. I can answer that. But yeah, y'all have a great day and keep growing. Peace. Okay, guys, so I just wanted to show y'all real quick what I end up getting at the nursery. I got this Moro Blood Orange. Shout out to Millennial Gardener. I've seen his videos about this particular orange tree, and you know, it enticed me, so I figured I would try it out and see how it goes. It has a lot of new leaf growth coming through. I see like little buds and stuff as well. So that's what we got at that nursery, at Doan's Nursery, or Doan's Nursery. And I got a few little vegetable plants. This is a eggplant. It's the small purple round eggplant. I thought that was kind of cool. So I just got one of these to see how it, you know, will go. $1.75 each of these veggie plants. Habanero plants, I got 2 of them. And I got this bell pepper plant. It got 2 in the pot, so that was a good deal. And then I got some lettuce here, because I needed some green lettuce. Right now I have red. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.